Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. So today, we're going to review this beautiful Airsoft pistol from 5th Generation Hobby Shop. So we're going to review this beautiful 1911 MEU. Okay, so disclaimer guys, this is just an Airsoft. This is not a real gun. Okay, so by the way, the hard case, as you can see, this is sold separately. So hindi po ito kasama sa package. So this hard case is also available on 5th Generation Hobby Shop. So today guys, this is the 1911 silver version of WE. Okay, MEU model. This is full metal. Okay, the magazine is also metal. 15 rounds capacity single stock. Okay, now this is the standard full size 1911. Okay, loaded in 6mm BBs. Okay, so this is the design. The grip has very aggressive serrations. So meron siya markings na WE. Okay, full metal. Okay, we will take a look on the internal parts right here. Okay, so ito po yung kanyang internal parts. The recoil spring assembly, yung kanyang hop up is adjustable. Okay, also yung kanyang outer and inner barrel ay metal. Okay, so dito sa slide meron siyang markings na 45 ECP. Okay, so ito ay nababaklas parts by parts. Babalik ko lang. Okay, so ganun lang kadali. So meron siyang rear serrations sa kanyang slide. Okay, yung kanyang serrations, rear serrations. Okay, for me, para mabilis ka sa, just like that. Okay, yung kanyang, it has 2 safety features. Kanyang manual safety. So, yung kanyang manual safety, hindi siya ambidextrous. Manual safety. Okay. Manual safety. Working. Also, the beaver tail safety. Still working. Okay. So, this is silver chrome. Okay, yung kanyang frame, trigger guard, metal din. Kanyang mag-release, very smooth. Ayan. Okay. So, yun. 45 ECP markings sa kanyang slide. Ang ganda niya. At mabigat. Okay. Disclaimer, this is an airsoft only. Hindi po ito totoong baril. Okay. So, now, moving forward sa testing. By the way, yung kanyang front and rear sight ay fix. Okay. Okay. Now, let's go to testing. Okay, now for testing. Earlier, nilagyan ko na to ng gas, bala, sa kanyang inlet valve. So, may gas na po ito at bala. Testing. Okay. Fire. Open chamber, pag wala ng bala. Okay. Bullseye, yung kanyang okay, open chamber, pag wala ng bala. So, release magazine. Okay. Press down the slide catch or slide release. Then, press the hammer. Okay. So, guys, again, this is the 1911 MEU silver version of WE full metal. So, if you have questions, just comment down below or message us to our Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Okay? So, again, thank you and see you on our next video.